Shouldn't be opening. See what I get. I already own the legendary in this pack. We're just gonna try and get the chroma, even though I only have 1,500 tokens. Okay. Nothing so far. I'm not getting anything good. I've only done one epic. Not a very good pack opening. Looks like I'm not gonna get anything. Another epic isn't bad. If I get long comments from here, I'm gonna crash out. Oh, are we serious? Are we serious? Bro. We're going to resell because that's what we do. I have the same amount of Jolly Pirates as Kraken, which is insane. £21. I might spare on streaming if I don't get anything good. Okay. Sorry. Nothing good. Nothing good. It's not bad. All booty cheeks. Same amount of Krakens now. I got no Jolly Pirates, that's insane. I think I gotta go soon. But I'm good. Alright, after this I have to go. I might just refresh it and go. Just spam, I have to go soon. Alright guys, gotta go, but nothing good this video I guess, but hopefully I can get something next time. Bye, see you guys next time.